Former work people them for shipyards industry. They also ask for their money for place where they call them say labor office. This sometime Tori we enter for we ear talk now say they don't go for that side. So for governor, for go meet with the governor for ask where that money them. Inside Tori for this afternoon too, we go talk for them as we near them. Gendarme people then say they don't enter for roads. For talk with the other people that way they know they for inside the same workplace with them. For tell them say it dey so they dey fight and they go see as way they go fight say make choco e no dey for inside house or gendarme. Tori for this afternoon we no go left a palava for campaign. Sabi say for the first time campaign e pass for place where they dey call am say boya wey na open campaign. The first time wey they be meet up e be dey na for inside hall. This time they meet up na for Bongo Square. Na im mean say true Nkunkuma e no go surely enter boya again as we pom e be don dey talk am. So for Tori for this afternoon we go talk palava for Piki wey don lost. Sabi say newspaper dem say the day and we woman volleyball team they don mess again. Argentina e don just comot for knack dem 3-0 na the thing that way pass for Yokohama for Japan as well they play for woman volleyball competition. Big part talk for this afternoon e dey tell we say wetin say if Mami Fowl e black na how. I say even if Mami Fowl e black na how e no fit ever lay black egg. I say even if Mami Fowl e black na how e no fit ever lay black egg. Jires Ayompe for K-Town na he send we big part talk for this afternoon. I dey turn back small time. We glad plenty for meet up una for outside the country people them, mommy them, papa the way una don ship enter for their pocket. Now former work people them that for shit now. Money for the work people they never come. And they also talk say they so they must to give them the money. Yesterday e bad sote even big man for labor office. E be one comot dey hold the motor. Say that man no dey comot for outside. Say that money e must to come out. Money e must to come out. Na big man that for labor. Na he dey for inside that motor. That work people dey holy. They say oga you no go comot. If our money no comot for our hand, na so too sabi say you too no go comot the whole motor for delegates. Say that delegate no go comot for outside. But according to Tori say wey dey enter for we ear, e dey try for tell we say e dey so the work people dem just now, former work people dem for Chantier Naval or na shipyard industry you wan call am, dey dey for governor office. Na their own right wey dey ask am say make dey pay am. Nkunkuma don sign book since say make dey pay dem that money, but sote now money never comot. Dem dey ask for money. Minister for territorial administration e dey sign money give am for governor. E dey sign money give am for secretary general. Sign money give am for SDO. Sign money give am for D1. Say make e go help dem for do vote for inside their own place. Na people dem this way they don comot dem outside since 16 moon when governor promise say e go pay dem money. Sote now they never pay them money. They must only comot for waka she don for ground. Now some people dem for them na pay them. Yes, some people then apart them for family. How they go look at their family? Yeah? How they go look at their family when you no one pay them that money? How they go look at their family? See as we pay the she don for ground for money where they don't work before you get for pay them. You want see them say make the she don for ground first before you see say whether you go pay them or you no go pay them. Congo side as we talk, I hear say money don't come but they don't transfer am for prepare for vote. So e dey like say they go pay them after vote e pass. So the people dem too they don't stand high. They don't talk say lie to lie. Say that money must to come out. Oh boy, talk wetin we get for tell we for inside the palava.
Temporary worker dey for Chantier Naval wey e be 2008. The head of state they move all temporary workers at Chantier Naval. If you talk to Chantier Naval, you got some small money, you give it. Then government, if you give it some money too. So if you don't follow the money up to go for you, they see head of state. Head of state say we they pay the money. We see head of state, we see prime minister, they pay the money. We don't come see governor send me for Joe. Go see Joe send me for the labor office. We dey for labor office, so the way that they put up the list for the money. That never be respected for inside labor office. People dey for among year where they don't old, they don't be able for work hard. People dey for with their woman don't come on married. People dey that they suffer. People dey never go school, and we so to prepare for go vote for inside our own country, but yet we no get means because all of us will be blocked. We no get money for skin. People dey that they suffer. Their woman they don't come on married. People they no get. People they need to go school. One man then they will not be able for work for the 10 years. They don't keep them there with their money carry now soon. So we beg mayor of state try for make we feel free like Cameroonians. They not treat like people they not be like Cameroonians.
Kunkuma, you don't hear your own people them, so make you look at them like na your own picking them. No look at them like say you know them where they no be your picking. The Tron talk, it don't meet up you and Asabi say you go do something quick on top that palaver for money where you are picking the ask them. Sabi say gendarme then say they don't talk say that thing for choco. Say they don't want say any man where it worry you, where you want take choco, where you dey fine, where you no get no problem with your book them or anything. Call that number one time. When you call that number, make we continue for waka man. Nadine, thank you plenty. When we continue for waka, when you call the number one time, na the people then this, na the phone then that way they did. They job wait. Your own work na job for call. If you turn up for road, then they hold you seize your book. Just call that number. People they 24 they go answer you. Ask and say the gendarme in name na waiting. He don't do you waiting. But you say where you call, so you sure say you dey fine and ask all that question. After them say they go she don't start make investigate. Now for that's how they do all thing. Now for they all thing the past. So they go she don't make investigate. If the gendarme you know they innocent, he dey guilty. One time they go give you cassingo. So just now, Oga Pafena na where he says now the big man for inside the palava for Choco, inside gendarme place, he don't talk say make people, they make Cameroon people them. They take this thing serious. For Sika say gendarme man, he no one take anything play. Say he no one take anything play. So if you get any palava with some nye, any man way one worry way, you sure say all thing there for your skin fine. That 1501 now the number that just call and direct they go pick up when they pick now so too they go make investigate. They no want to say corruption e dey for inside that place. So this chapter for Choco all that one they saw 1501 now the number that njo they know the culture credit no nothing no they happen. So now for now Cameroon people as I be so now go talk say that one they don't just put am for sake say no try first. If you know if you try no condemn way you never try the number. When the investigate pass it happen they go talk for you. We open chapter now so for campaign sabi say we dey enter small for end for Yahweh there for that side for Marwa Adamu or Nadima Gaga Haman a party na Marwa side Gaga Haman a party and CPDM trouble. I say Gaga Haman and CPDM trouble. Gaga Amani people they talk say CPDM it don't take all place for inside town. Say CPDM don't take all place for inside town for put paper them from Kunkuma CPDM no care e dey for your own side e dey make campaign meet up with the people them for inside Marwa for tell them say na white paper where they go use them for day where they want vote. But sabi say for corner side the problem na say Gaga Aman e own people then they vex. Say e dey so CPDM for Marwa side, Marwa 2. They don't take all paper there. So we no dey for them too for put their own man e face for road. Say that kind of thing na big pasha. Say how one man e go take the whole thing. CPD and SSP answer them back. E talk for them say time wey they be study palava for campaign. One side wanna be there. Why one or two na no comot for outside put paper them. So last. Now for on top stick they put their own. Yes, now on top stick they put their own. They say as when CPD and don't take all thing for town. Make they put and then on top stick. People they go so see am. So last now for on top stick way Gaga Aman Aji he own party SSP they put photo for Gaga Aman for that side so for Marwa and even for on top Okada. You see no now they their own trouble that they talk say CPD and don't take all place where they for people put their own paper. So Okada even for on top engine for Okada they put am so far as so people they go look am. You understand? So far as so people that they will look am now only so people that for Gaga Aman and CPDM now palava for paper. Why you put paper for all corner? CPDM talk sign down there yesterday country peoples Franklin Difo-Afamwi, aka, or name na aka. People, they sabi popular name na Prophet Frank. Enter from Gaundede yesterday, a shaking place. Only for road, a try for show people, the Okada people, they say, they follow you for back. As way, motor say, it be there for you back, it come. We won. Now you say no. Now Franklin Afamwi people than that for CNCM. Yes, CNCM party. Now the papa that says we turn up. He try for talk with people them on top his own limousine. For talk for them say they so he don't come for town. Say make people they sabi for night. He be pass. Now Franklin Difo-Afamwi that for place where they call am saying Gaundere country people them. Just now we go take on a go for Penja side. Yes, for Penja country people there. Waiting happen for day. For Penja waiting happen for day. Inside Penja na Cameroon Renaissance movement. I say Cameroon Renaissance movement. For Professor Maurice Kamto enter for Penja. And now who take and enter Penja? Na Paul Eric Kinge. Sabi say that Padiman, if you don't fair be na Poma mayor sese for that side for Penja. So he enter Penja for talk for his own people the way don't sabi then say. Maurice Kamto, na the only person where the fee voter. If they vote Maurice Kamto better, he go follow Penja. According to way Paul Eric Kinge talk since he sabi Penja, Penja never change. Konsamba never change. Susan never change. Even Banga, it never change. All that one na Mongo division. If they put Maurice Kamto for chair for number 7 day for October moon, say thing they go change. And another one, na say waiting. Woman the way they deal with Ibele, they go born njo, they no go pay no nothing. So now the kind talk then that way go talk for them. Then he talk for them too when they vote. May they go mala, come back. Can't see wait it happen so that Pacha, it no go happen. Paul Eric Kinge, head boy for campaign for Professor Maurice Kamto. Na he carry CRM party enter for Penja. Na so population where even Maurice Kamto no dey there, but the population is also come. We go tell you na after side wey Maurice Kamto e be dey. Make we turn back now so for that side for Penja, we take thing wey Paul Eric Kinge he talk for population. He talk na for pidgin. He no even talk for French. He no even talk for English. Pidgin. Make we hear what we talk. Say many people they do am.
From next, if you are voting for this Sunday, all women where they go born, they born gratuitely to vote for this Sunday. Yes. Yesterday, I been meet for LDPC. Oh, we don't know how we don't finish. So musician for Cameroon be sing. Voilà. Il don't talk say if he pass, now we are beginning to be Premier Minister for this country. We are beginning to be for people. If you will begin for Mungo, for Littoral, now you do go hold hand for a young beginner with his small brother and you get him for the phone. Because me and not say, if the police come to the for Chia, a partir he said, we do for the Mungo, we go be for. So I've been there for you on there, anything for you on there, any weekend, if you are there for you, we now will be also job now with Makara, and I will also job for Sunday. Now bulletin for Maurice Kamto this. Now red bulletin. Now he bulletin this red bulletin. Then day, now we are not finished for voting. We are go chop, but we can't tell her for before we are be able to vote. C'est non moi notre bulle.
Yes. So, na Paul Eric Kingedat, head boy for campaign for Maurice Kamto, he be there for Penja. But how the population be there? We turn back for Penja. I just the thing that way pass for Penja way big man says Professor Maurice Kamto no be dede na Paul Eric Kinge be go for Gotana for a place like head boy for campaign. But who side Maurice Kamto be there? He be there na for Konsamba side. Plenty rain, he be the fall for Konsamba. But people they come out, we go talk now with the photo. Plenty rain be the fall for Konsamba, but Maurice Kamto, he no mind, and also supporter them too, they no mind. They come out them plenty for can't hear wait way. Pa Maurice Kamto get for talk and for place where they the main gando for that side so for Konsamba. Now so two people they full up on top motor for Maurice Kamto as we enter for that side so for Konsamba. According to Tori we enter for we ESF. Now so too you don't promise make all people them they come out for outside. Number 7 day inside this month for vote. Say thing they get for change and now let them they go feel for change when they come out for go vote. Even policeman says e be the make control for under rain for seeker say waiting. Plenty people they be come out as when Maurice Kamto he enter for Konsamba for under rain. No man he know she done for back. Okada people them all supporter people them they come out for outside for here waiting where Maurice Kamto again for Kantok and for them for that side so for Konsamba and all thing it happen na for under rain. No man he no shake. CPDM for Boya Sesep last they don't make open door place for shine people them I say e dey so we know the fear. Ekema Patrick Esunge and other CPDM big people them. Andrew Mutanga motor the way they come out for outside for carry people them bring them for inside Boya. Now so too gendarme themselves they be there for look out all the motor the way they carry people for outside bring them for inside the big one way pass. Peter Mafane Mosonge head boy for campaign for Sawes he don't talk say make people they no fear. Make the so get hard for Nkunkuma. Say na so if you look at the palava for Norwest and Sawes so te finish. Now the first time this since where it is so confusion for Norwest and West it start first time where CPD and people they say they meet up for open place so the first meeting where it be happen na for inside hall. The one it happen na for Bongo Square. But Sabi say security where it be there. Now come and see. All corner be there na security. You see no? Any man will shake they draw me a chakatum. You understand? They be prepared. They joke wait chakatum one time. They no want to hear say something what more see face on a see face also says all place black all corner black but even a lumpoche says where there for inside presidency take it eye to a see the population way come out as well people there for Sawes they talk say yes we go so turn up for back Nkunkuma as well talk the first one will happen for inside Boya but after the thing it finish who side the people they all they come out na moto. Only 70-seater motor them. Even chief them say where they never fair run the day. Plenty people them. One day were after the finning and the one time straight mount your ten motor than that. They start carry them, take them back. Whether na for Douala or na from Konsamba or na for inside they come out. They motor they enter, people they enter for inside. Then I saw they go. Near them say they dey for corner. They prepare him. You do anything. Chakatum. The rally, a pass fine. Then I for say congratulate for the party man. Kema Patrick. Now SSP they make things them as well they happen. We go finish with Palava for sport. We woman volleyball team it don't mess again. Argentina be there na last coco for inside group. We be sabi say Cameroon go catch Argentina too. A finish with them so that they go remain for Yokohama for Japan. But for outside, Argentina talk say if we be last coco no be na Cameroon go knock we. Argentina catch Cameroon direct current. E give am 1 set to naught, 2 set to naught, 3 set to naught. Hey, e just finish with Cameroon. So as well the talk now, after this volleyball wey Cameroon e player, e don turn back for inside we country. E mean say they don eliminate them. Yes, they don comot for the competition. For sika say Cameroon sesep e dey na last koko for inside group A with 3 points. Who they don pass for here? Even Argentina wey knack Cameroon 3 sets to naught, e no go. For sika say they be don mess all the time wey the competition start. Them two na the first time this way they dey win. So Argentina e move black for his skin. Now with Cameroon 3 sets to naught e finish. Newspaper dem say they get their own side for tori wey dey look am this afternoon. Wetin the Guardian post e talk am. Kunkuma e say no way. For waka for go for Boya, go make campaign, lie to lie. He say no the go. So for inside the same tori con the people, Guardian post e tell we say Babe CCPDM, Mayor Sesep, they don tiff am. Na who tiff am, I no sabi. Na so too Cameroon Baptist Convention Health Center too, people there they work for inside the health place. They say the confusion for Northwest and West, e show them pepper. The Guardian post we tell we this chapter for campaign for Genyun Kunkuma. They say communication council, e don give the Guardian post changut for the better work way they did do am. We left the Guardian post, we enter for the Sun newspaper way a day for outside this afternoon. Inside the Sun newspaper, chapter for waiting Southwest and Northwest, United Nations, United States Congress, all them, they don't talk on top this palaver. Waiting them talk, enter for the Sun you go sabi. Now so to the talk for we, vote for Genyun Kunkuma for number 7 day. Kunkuma sesep, e no go boya after everything. According to where the Sun talk, but even as when Kunkuma no come, Southwest CPDM, they make the first ever waiting open Ndongamen for Palava talk say the day for back Kunkuma. Nadine, I call that photo so no. Palava Ndamba, African Nation Cup, they say waiting. CAF president says he don't talk say Kunkuma, make your heart overcut plenty. Left am so. We enter for the Scoop newspaper two-way e dey for outside. Inside the Scoop newspaper, they say people dem for Kupe Maninguba, even as we road no dey, they don't talk say 100%. Now where they go give am for votes for Nkunkuma. Then CAF says he talk say he never ever dream say he go comot Mandamba for 2019 for Cameroon. Now talk that way CAF president he talk am. Then they tell you to say university pikin just now, they don't start take training for inside Palava for entrepreneurship. Other tori the day for the Scoop newspaper where you fit for read am this afternoon. We enter for inside this info newspaper where they too for outside. Inside the info newspaper where 1,000 people they day for back. 2018 vote for Genyun Kunkuma. First for experience. It go be for Boya or not? Quick big question mark where they so they tell we say it no go dey for Boya at all. Cameroon says it go happen Mandamba for 2019. Now talk that way CAF president Amat he talk am so he come for Cameroon. Camrai company for train they get hand for accident wey be happen for Ezeka. Other tori dem wey e concern Claude Adolphe Mundi aka Petit Pays e dey for inside the info where 1,000 people they follow am. We finish story for this afternoon. Now it's a case them for people that they don't lose or maybe the post weekend. We finish with the post weekend away day two for outside calling people them. 2018 vote for get president. They tell we say people them where they dey for on top the regime. They talk say waiting. Say if opposition says up, they no try for join like one. They no go fit for Nak Nkunkuma for on top the chapter. Now so today they tell we Konak he don't talk say waiting. Make Choco e no dey for inside vote wey get for happen. Daytime dey happen wey CPDM says up a full party people them and even other big people them. Then they hold big rally for inside town for Boya for the first time. Now so today they tell we they book them where they wait the new president. They hot book them where they wait the new president for Cameroon. All that already and so plus other one the post weekend e get am. we get case for people the way they don't lost. We go start with this pikin wey they call it say Casey Megan. His name na Dunford Casey Megan. Wey he don't lost. We show you the photo. Now the pikin be that Dunford Casey Megan. He get 19 years and the talk say he don't lost now for 2 months according to Tori we get am for we EM, and the talk say be the she don for quarter wey they call am say Bonandale 105, and the pikin he the talk fine for French. They say if you see this pikin, call this dignity number them 670281078 699160233 678303929. They say BB Dash, the wait you way don't see this pikin. You bring them for Equinox Story House. Another case too way they for we hand, they call am na Jacob Merveille Blanche, again na 16 years. Fine laugh where pikin they laugh as well as they see and so. But pikin don't lost, it don't disappear. They say pikin he come up for house on number 30 day inside number 9 moon. For 7 o'clock, say he want go meet up he big papa. He go meet up grandpa, he no turn back for New Bell. They say na time will be the turn back for grandpa house for 9 o'clock. They no see him again. So all man in the back, Mami Ngukep épouse Jekwa Sidonie. In the back, any person where don't see this pikin, Ngukep Merveille Blanche, say make it try for call the tiny number them 677-778-987, 677-754-911, 677-398-473, or 698-439-144. They say the pikin, he had eternal fine and he talk French. Madame Njukep épouse Njokwa Sidonie annonce la disparition de sa fille, la nommée Njukep Merveille Blanche, âgée de 16 ans. Elle serait sortie de la maison dimanche 30 septembre 2018 aux environs de 7 heures pour se rendre chez son grand-père assise à New Bell. Après, elle se sépare de son grand-père à 9 heures en vue de regagner son domicile familial en Dock Passing. Elle n'y est plus revenue jusqu'à nos jours. Elle joue de toutes ses facultés mentales et s'exprime parfaitement en langue française. Madame Juquet prie toute personne qui reconnaît ou héberge sa fille de bien vouloir la contacter au numéro suivant 677 778 987 677 754 911 677 398 473 ou 698 439 144 ou se rapprocher de Commote Saint Francis College of Yango Kumba. Wanna hold am tight.